Babe, don't make a sound.
Hello, my name is Sean Culture. This is my SD4 project. For our SD4 project, we were asked to design and make a factory and make it so it can be a learning resource within the classroom. The factory I chose was McNabb Waste. McNabb Waste is a waste recycling company based in County Down. They recycle all sorts of waste and create a reusable fuel, SRF. So my factory, which makes it a learning resource, it features a stand which creates at an elevated level. The stand raised up for the whole classroom to see. The actual factory itself is scaled. It features 3 sections, section 1, section 2 and section 3, all with a different process. The first process is initial separation of waste. So the waste is entered into the separator, it's opened up the bin bags, brings up the conveyor and into the trommel, which spins and separates all fine aggregates. The second process is separation of raw material. So again, the waste comes up out of the trommel to a conveyor into a picking line. This is activated by a motion sensor. The waste is brought down the picking line, which will be 4 operatives, each picking 4 different types of material, including cardboard, paper, metal. While it's going down the picking line, a magnet will come out to remove all metal, and then finally it enters zone 3, where it comes into the initial crushing. This crushes all material, comes out onto the conveyor, brings up the conveyor into the shredder, which is a brief overview of the system. The system is created to be a learning resource. Each section comes out of the actual main body and features a glass box. This could be passed around the classroom and used as a learning resource. Each box has a clear bottom, which all circuitry is displayed. So that could be used for group work. Again, there's a large baseboard. It's a scale model and shows accurately the design of the factory. So I will go through each stage of McNabb Waste here, my waste production line. The first stage is waste is entered in the initial bag opener. So the on button shall be pressed. A green LED will flash. I will use then a magnet to activate the reed switch, which then opens the bag opener. Once the bag opener is open, it comes up a conveyor into an infrared sensor, which is then triggered and sends the trommel screen on, which separates all fine aggregates out of the waste material. So this is zone 2 of my project. Whenever the waste leaves the trommel screen, it is then brought up the conveyor, which brings it to the picking line. I then press the on button for zone 2. You activate it using the reed switch. Should activate the reed switch, which blinks a green light. This will then activate the motor, which brings the waste up onto the conveyor 2. This goes for a few seconds, which then activate a motion sensor. The red light is activated and it moves the conveyor and brings the waste down the line, which then activates the servo, which will have magnets which will remove all the metal from the waste. This then brings it to zone 3. Alright. So this is zone 3 of my final project, the processing of the waste. As the waste comes down the picking line, it then enters in the crusher. Once I press the on button, a green LED should come on. Once the green LED comes on, I then tap a reed switch to the crusher, which will then activate the crusher. As you can see, the crusher then activates. Once I press the motion sensor, then it comes up the conveyor. Once my hand comes up the conveyor, it activates the motion sensor. The red LED should come on, and then which in turn activates the shredder. As you can see, around the front, the shredding blades then start to turn.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long.